how to turn on chat on Gmail PC. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable chat on Gmail easy and fast. All what you have to do is simple. Go to Gmail. Now go to the top here and click on settings, click on see all settings, and it will take you to this page. Right here you will find many options. As you can see, click on chat and meet here in the top, and now go to the chat option and choose if you want Classic Hangout or Google Chat. I'm gonna choose Classic Hangouts and click Save Changes, and now as you can see it's turned it on successfully. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.